Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. This is Vance Alfana. I will be doing my bike vlog for today together with a DepEd cyclist. So we're actually having our program. It's a bike for dental health kickoff to be held in Magsaysay Elementary School. We begin here, starting point at City Hall of Dipolog. So as you can see, we have different cyclists from DepEd and also from the dental health unit of DepEd Dipolog City. So we're gonna start now guys, our route for today, going to Magsaysay Elementary School. Okay, so mag-start na mi guys sa amo ang bike for today.